we have this big box here. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. And in today's video guys, we are going to unbox and review another product, and this product was brought to me by Issy Auto, and I'll have all the links down below guys, and then that way you can purchase your very own product. So without further ado, let's go check this out, see what we got. We have this big box here. Okay guys, so then there's this big box comes with, and then this little box comes, so let's go ahead and open this one. Awesome, this seems like it's all right, so it is some mats for the 2016 Ford Explorer. And just want to mention to you guys, these are specific to the 2016 Explorer. So as you can see, looks like a very solid product. So this one goes on the passenger side of the vehicle. So let's go ahead and put that on it right now. So as you can see, I have the regular mats that it comes with. Now, when I did buy this vehicle, unfortunately, for some odd reason, I thought it was gonna be like these, but you know, yeah, I found out no, they weren't going to be like that. But I had already made the guy, I had already made them get them, I guess. So then I just ended up going ahead with them, also due to the fact that I didn't want to wait that long and not have any mats at all on the vehicle. As you can see, these are, I mean, these are okay, but you know, stuff gets on here. As you can see here, I haven't detailed this truck in a while, so you know, and this is the one that gets used more than anything else. So yeah, like I said, this mat serves its purpose, but it doesn't, you know, it's not like a dish shape like this one over here, or we can tell that this is, you know, this can actually hold the dirt, whatever, from your feet. So let's go ahead and swap these out. Okay. Now I do want to mention really quick that I do have these as well. I have these that it came with, but we just left them on there. And oh, there's a Chuck E. Cheese coupon. So anyway, ticket, I mean, I'm sorry about that. So anyways, yeah, we just kind of left these on the bottom, so that way we can try as much to preserve the bottom carpet. But let's go ahead and try these out. So as you can see, this is a pretty simple, there you go. So that is the new mat from Issy Auto. This is pretty cool. This is really cool. You know, it looks like it holds dirt. So whenever you get inside and you have your feet really dirty, it's gonna trap a lot of that dirt there, which I think is really cool. So let's go ahead and do the same for the other side, and then the same for the second row. Okay, so we're gonna take this driver's side. Okay, and then this one is the driver's side, as you can tell. And if you notice, it also has these things here so that you can grip the mat so it just doesn't slide everywhere. Okay, so just keep a reminder, this is the driver's side. They are side specific when it comes to the front ones. Okay guys, and as you can see here, to remove these,
oh ew, so dusty.
And just to show and just for the install purposes, I'm just going to put this right over that. But you know, tomorrow I will have to vacuum this out because I just, yeah, that doesn't sit well with me. So what we would do is get this like that, We're just gonna have to push a little bit more. So let me go ahead and do that. Hold on. And there you go, guys. There you have it. It's fully on there. And they are pretty good. They're sitting down really good. As you can see here. Well, you can't see that much, but it's pretty flush with this, so there's like no gap in between. The pins that are in there, that are on the floor, they do come out to this, so this is going to help them keep stay in place, as well, as you can see there. And this comes up pretty high, so that way when your feet are on here and they're dirty, muddy, or whatever, all that dirt is just going to stay collected in here. Now, of course, you're not going to be, you know, doing this with your feet and stuff like that, but I mean, unless you do. But these mats will serve their purpose. So that is, I really like these mats. Like I said, they're from Issy Auto, and I just want to thank them again. You know, they made this possible, so thank you all again, Issy Auto. And so now let's move on to the second row. Okay, guys, and last but not least, we have this. Okay, so we have this giant. Second row one.
Go this way. Ow! Doesn't fit. My hand doesn't fit here.
I don't know. Let's put it down. Okay, so now it's going to go in the second row, as you can see there. That's where this will go. All right, guys. So here we're back another day, and you can see that. You can see the mats. They are fitting pretty good. So I really like the fitment. So it's really good. I really like them, especially like the front ones. They're really deep, so they can catch all the dirt. You see that all there, right there, all that dirt going on right there. We see the rear ones, and they're doing pretty good. They're doing their job, you know, collecting all that dirt. It even collected a penny right there. Just don't tell the wife, you know, I'm gonna get this for car parts. It's going towards car parts. So everything is looking pretty good. I really like the looks of it. It looks simple, and you know, you guys have that design right there, and this design right here. So I like them. They've been doing their job. They've been holding, as you can see, all that dirt and all that. So yeah, guys, they're looking pretty good. I really like the mats. They look really good. And I'm sorry, this SUV is a daily, so that's why it's that dirty. But believe it or not, I have detailed it before to where it's really nice and clean, but it doesn't even last a day. so you know, but that's what happens when you have kids. So okay, guys, so that's all for this video. That's all for today's video, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one.